at the firm, I think I can sort of divide my clients up into sort of two groups. First group is ready to go to trial, ready to take time off and go try the case. That they are ready to tell their story to a jury. There's other groups of clients that want their story to be heard, but they don't need that ultimate issue. They don't need for a jury to actually return a decision. That what they want to do is make sure that their story is told to the employer, that they want to set the record straight. And they also want to hold the employer accountable for what happened to them and the damage that was caused to them. And for them, they're happy with telling their story and then resolving their case and settling their case. In fact, the reality is even for those that are in the first group, that they want to try their case, that they want their story to be told, but they're also okay with ultimately resolving the case, because a lot of cases do settle. Not all cases, but a lot of cases do settle. And so the reality is if you bring a lawsuit, a lot of these cases do settle. So you don't have to be committed to actually taking the case all the way to trial. I will say what's important is for you to make sure that you find a firm that are actually litigators that can take the case to trial. That if push comes to shove, that the case can be tried. Now, of course, that decision as to whether or not you try the case or we try the case would always be up to the client. Is that what they want to do? It's really important for the other side to know that the case can settle on terms that we are okay with, or that the employee has hired a firm that will try the case, that has experience in trying cases both in state and federal court, and that we can try those cases. Because that ultimately will drive settlement up. That the fear of litigation, the fear of trying the case, will ultimately drive the settlements up, because the employer wants peace of mind. If you believe that you've been wronged here in California by your employer, and you want to know whether or not, if you brought a suit, how far you would have to take that suit, and whether or not settlement would be a viable option for you, I would encourage you to talk to a law firm, especially one that practices employment law. If that's this firm, that's great. Give us a call, and I'm happy to walk you through those issues. I wish you the best and look forward to talking to you.